Yeah. Wonderful, Steve. I'm your old friend from some dating site, if you remember. Varun Ansari, Asrani. Friend? No, I don't remember. Varun. What dating site? Old friend. Old friend. I didn't know. I don't remember. Varun. What is that? What is dating site? I think Filipino Cupid, right? So that was from that was long time ago. So very long time ago. The is closed already. That was very that was long time ago. I have a Filipino Cupid. Filipino Cupid. I think it was 2 years ago. 2 years, 3 years ago. Basta, it's a long time na. The gate is closed already. Yes. Yeah, the gate is closed already. Where are you from? Thank you, Miss Alma, because I am very loving and caring. Yeah. Stephen Ellis. How about you, Stephen? How's your day? How was your day? Ang laki ng braso ko. I have a big, ano na guys. How is your day? Steve, how is your day? My day was good, Miss Margie. Oh, that's good. Easter egg. Sexo. Ano yan? Para mga ano tong ibang viewers ko. Yes, gates are closed, but as remembrance always speaks and videos are fortune. Oh, I think in a Patreon, yeah. I know already because you can also to save our videos, from I think you're my member in my Patreon. So, yeah, I'm sure. Hello, Bibi. Baron, but the window is open. Gates are closed, but as remembrance always speaks, and videos are fortune. Oi, Victoria Vamos Brain Car. Thank you for asking Miss Margie and Miss Alma. I forgot na mag ano ako na